Welcome to Deep Dive series, where we dig into the most useful features of macOS. In this episode, we will look into keyboard shortcuts and how they can massively increase your productivity if you use them right. First of all, keyboard shortcuts are more important than most people think. Statistics says if you use your mouse at least once during 1 minute of work, it reduces your productivity by 5 seconds. And it can seem like not a lot, but if we scale the picture to 1 hour of work, it means you reduce your productivity by 6 to 8 minutes. And most people interact with mouse even more, so you can easily lose roughly 1/5 of your time on mouse interactions, which in most cases could be replaced by keyboard shortcuts. And this starts with very basic things. For example, opening a new tab in your browser with Command T or closing one with Command W. These are some of the simplest shortcuts you can use, yet many people still reach for the mouse instead of them. Let's go deeper. About 90% of the keyboard shortcuts you actually need are simple, but most people don't even know about them. For example, when typing, instead of pressing the delete key multiple times, you can use Option Delete to delete an entire word, or Command Delete to delete the whole line. App switching is another one. Command plus Tab lets you move between apps instantly, and Command plus whatever this is switches between windows of the same app. To open apps or files, you don't need Launchpad or Finder. Command plus Space opens Spotlight, which is the fastest way to launch apps, search for files, or run quick calculations, all directly from the keyboard. Screenshots are another example. Command plus Shift plus 3 captures the entire screen. Command plus Shift plus 4 lets you select an area, and holding Ctrl copies the screenshot directly to the clipboard instead of saving it, so you can paste it quickly somewhere without cluttering your desktop. Window control also matters. Command plus H hides the current tab, Command plus M minimizes a window, and Command plus Option plus H hides everything except the app you're working on. This keeps your workspace clean without touching the mouse. Once you're comfortable with the basics, advanced shortcuts give you even more control. System-wide editing shortcuts like Command plus C work together with Command Option plus V, which moves files instead of copying them in Finder. And yes, macOS doesn't support Command plus X for cutting files. Another advanced shortcuts are Command plus Comma to open settings of any app, Command plus E to eject a disk, and Command plus Control plus Space to open the emoji picker, which most people don't even know about. There are also shortcuts for power users that many people never discover. For example, Command plus Option plus Escape brings up the first quit menu instantly when an app freezes. Option plus G will insert a copyright symbol, Option plus 4 will insert a $, and Option plus Shift plus 8 will insert the degree sign. These advanced shortcuts are not the things you would use every day, but they're certainly useful in deep work sessions or simply when doing something more complex on your Mac. Links to useful lists of shortcuts will be in the description.